Nicely. Bring it here. Then it will be easily done.
Huh?
This conductor. Take it to this place.
I make your video. Hello? Huh? I am making your video. Recording. It's okay?
Bye bye. Mommy inside the job. It's the older model. Come. Rami hao na. Rami bala. Rami.
What is this? This is mud time.
Yeah?
This mud.
Okay. This is no border. Cover. It's crack. What's on the Okay. That's it. We'll do it.
No, fine.
Okay.
No conduit opening.
Huh? Okay, this side. No.
Now let me side have.
This side is sufficient. Okay lah.
दादा ला 5 रुपये का सिक्का दे दादा वो हंटिंग वाला सिक्का इसका क्या फायदा निकल जाते हैं अच्छा ये गर्म होके पिघलेगा फिर ऊपर से और इसमें क्या होता है बारूद बारूद क्या होता है क्या नाम होता है ना मैग्नीशियम है नो समझा मैग्नीशियम
How's Jalo?
hey this is magnesium chemical which chemical
What the chemical?
this कहते नो समझा which chemical magnesium
This some mixture inside.
mixture of what Iba
Hello.
تاسو بل زول سوي
It's
دی
oxygen.
تاسو موږ ویډیو
copper.
تصویر مو کتل په سوي دی ما په تاسو
Oxygen copper. Oxygen.
oxygen
CuO. Yes, CuO. Bala says CuO.
copper
आप
oxide
खराब देगा ना
copper oxide
Yes. And ice. Ice now. Yes.
yes sulfur
CuO, ice.
sulfur
And C. C.
carbon
कार्बन
This chemical.
SC
Cu means copper.
oh oxygen
कार्बन कॉपर मोनोऑक्साइड
Oxygen copper. I don't know how to speak.
copper oxide है
CuO. This is
हाँ
steel. No. Iron.
this is what
Fe. Fe and CuO.
this one
Give heat. Reflect. Then Cu come outside and become Fe2, 3, O3. This outside meet. Remove.
دی زموږ غشته مې ریه پښتو مې
د دې چې کوم انګلیش زده دی هغه دغه اشتهیر
هغه قسم مې نه یری
जो मुनाफे ऐसे ही ना
क्या
जो इंग्लिश तुमको आती है वो भी भूल जाते हैं
भूल जाते हैं ना क्योंकि ये मिक्स है 3 जमाने में
you know this he is saying that he is a very expert boy
कभी उसमें कोई
what the expert boy
you are
why
talking about clever boy you know everything about this
very easy why I don't know
so we are not aware about this
this you senior high you will learn this middle school learn this
वही नो समझा we people no समझा copper no समझा no copper समझा मजाक कर रहा हूँ
see you
see you means I will see you later see you tomorrow that see you oh समझा see you copper समझा
मो जालो
मत
जालो知道，要把这清理完毕才知道这，我们看见这个不太漂亮了。 等那完了就知道了。要这里面是个洞或者是个坑，就麻烦了。
没那介绍，我这张照片。